Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I am super excited about the brand new issue of Hungry Girl magazine. This is the low-carb issue. It is out December 22nd, very exciting. And guess what? As the cover says, there are 65 plus low-carb recipes for easy meals, sheet pan dinners, desserts with 2 grams of added sugar or less, air fryer entrees, everything that you love, whether or not you're a low carber or you just like delicious recipes that are made with good ingredients. This magazine is for you. Also, I just want to take you through some of the pages so you can see what you're going to get. There's a whole low carb Q&A with my BFF Joy Bauer. Love you, Joy, thank you. Protein packed breakfasts. Sheet Smarts, there's like sheet pan meals. Cool as a cucumber. This is one of the most creative stories in the magazine. It's all like these very easy to make, very creative low carb cucumber rolls. Takeout, fake out, which will help you make all of your favorite takeout Chinese foods low carb, which is super helpful. Tons of comfort food recipes. Beautiful. This magazine is very impressive and you need it, and it's on sale right now wherever fine magazines are sold, at the checkout stand at your favorite market or at Walmart or at Whole Foods, wherever you are shopping, plus Barnes & Noble, etc., etc. Love it. Oh, look at these little bageled eggs. They're so cute. Baked pepperoni, noodle swaps, everything you want and you dream of if you're a low carber. Plus, look at that chocolate cake. Yummy. All right, so check it out. This is the latest issue of Hungry Girl magazine on newsstand shelves. Go get it.